Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to discuss the Newmar Essex. This is a true high-end luxury diesel pusher with a more traditional design and feel. There are 8 floor plans in total, all of which are 45 foot, and can be built on both the standard Freightliner SL chassis or the optional Spartan K3 chassis. As soon as you step foot into this diesel pusher, you are immediately surrounded by quality amenities, including the HWH hydraulic folding step you use to enter the coach. This step not only helps create a streamlined look during travel, but it also has pressure sensors that protect the step from getting damaged when opening due to uneven terrain or a passenger side curb. The kitchen features super polished solid surface countertops with a gorgeous backsplash. The high-rise faucet sits above a large undermount stainless steel sink with covers. For cooking, this all-electric coach has a portable induction cooktop and stainless steel convection microwave oven. All cabinets have optional ultra high gloss finishes, hidden hinges that along with the drawers are soft close. The 19.7 cubic foot residential refrigerator has a hardwood overlay to achieve a high-end residential look, and the optional Fisher & Paykel dishwasher means you no longer have to hand wash dishes. The beauty continues in the main living space of the Essex. The furniture is Villa Ultraleather for ultimate comfort and durability. The wood plank tile floor stretches the entire length of the Essex and even into the slides thanks to the exclusive More Floor system. The tile floor, including the master bath, has optional in-floor electric heat so your toes can stay warm on cold mornings. The bedroom has a residential 72 by 80 inch king-size sleep number bed so you and your significant other can sleep peacefully and comfortably. Above the bed is an optional window headboard with sliding panels, and to the side are nightstands with built-in wireless chargers. With the exception of the 4550, all Essex floor plans have a rear master bath with a cathedral ceiling, affording you 6 extra inches of headroom, which is pretty beneficial in the shower. All Essex layouts have a stacked washer and dryer and cedar-lined wardrobe. When you want to kick back and relax, you'll enjoy the fact each Essex has Sony LED TVs, Bose soundbars, and Blu-ray players in the living area in the bedroom, as well as an optional Sony 4K TV and soundbar in the exterior entertainment area. However, that is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to electronics in this motor coach. You'll find the Silverleaf system is a one-stop shop for controlling climate in the coach, viewing tank levels, operating the 12.5 kilowatt Onan generator, controlling electric floor heat, and more. You'll also notice the several multiplex controls throughout the motor coach for operating the lights and shades. For climate control, the Essex offers hydronic zone diesel heat via the Oasis system, 3 center-mounted 15,000 BTU Penguin AC units with heat pumps, and an optional electric heated tile floor. In the cab of the Essex, you'll find an abundance of safety and comfort features. Both the driver and passenger seats are heated with power lumbar support, power footrests, and optional massage feature. Next to the queen-size passenger seat, you will find a fold-up workstation and an optional additional monitor with access to cameras, navigation, and more. If there will be more than one driver, the coach features driver memory options to automatically adjust the steering wheel, pedals, and mirrors to your desired settings. For safety features, the Essex boasts Newmar's renowned Comfort Drive steering to reduce driver fatigue, optional Mobileye lane departure system with haptic feedback, HD 360-degree camera system, and an optional adaptive cruise control. Now that we've explored the inside, let's get to the nuts and bolts of the Essex. This coach can be built on the standard Freightliner SL chassis or the optional Spartan K3 chassis. Both have the exclusive Star foundation, Star standing for strong, true, and robust, and certainly earning its name. It houses the Cummins ISX 15-liter engine, putting out 605 horsepower and 1,950 foot-pounds of torque, and is mated with the 6-speed Allison 4000 transmission. The Essex has both hydraulic auto level and air auto level, which is helpful when on soft ground or other situations where the hydraulic jacks aren't as effective. The Essex is well equipped for towing with a 54,000-pound GVWR and an impressive 74,000-pound GCWR with an appropriately sized 20,000-pound hitch. You'll be equally impressed with the home portion construction of this luxury coach. Starting with a 3-inch insulated basement floor to help keep out the heat from hot pavement from radiating up through the coach. The floor itself features batten fiberglass insulation, and the ceramic tile is adhered to a separate Luan substrate to help absorb vibration. Moving up to the sidewalls, you'll find a construction very similar to that of a high-end custom home. Unlike most motorhomes, the sidewalls are not laminated and are actually double insulated. The outside layer of insulation is batten fiberglass, which sits between the 16-inch on-center aluminum studs. Then a vapor barrier is applied, and block foam insulation makes up the second inside layer. In conjunction with the extra thick fiberglass exterior, this creates one of the best insulated and sound-resistant sidewalls in the industry. Very similar to the sidewalls, the roof of the Essex has aluminum trusses 16 inches on center and is double insulated with batten insulation and bead foam. This process actually creates a remarkable 7-inch thick roof, which is another factor in why a Newmar is cooler in the heat, hotter in the cold, quieter while traveling down the road, and quieter in the resort. The Essex is a true luxury diesel pusher with class-leading power, top-of-the-line amenities, and the industry's newest features and options. If you're ready to step into luxury, then step into a Newmar Essex.